Hi guys, my name is Lucky Charms, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my entire earring collection part 2, because I showed my entire earring collection in part 1, and then I'll show up on the screen somewhere, little cute little thing, but I'm going to be showing you guys my earrings, and ignore the fact that I'm not wearing any nails. I was wearing gloves with the look, and I also did like a glove video, and I wasn't trying to ruin my gloves. If you want to see my earrings, keep on watching. Sorry guys, just have to get slitting gloves before I can do this.
Living is basically slaying and living your best life into one word. It's the new That's Hot.
I love it.
Slitting. Shut up, I'm filming! Just had to get on my slitting gloves. Okay, so the first ones I'm going to show you are these little lollipops. They're like little lollipop earrings. Cute. I'm only going to show like one of each. They're the same unless they're like asymmetrical. Little wine bottle earring. It won't focus. These are some new ones. Some very cute ones. They're butterfly wings.
Yes, this is happening.
But like, put inward. Maybe the gloves are harder. Never mind, I guess I won't be slitting. The butterfly ones are from a butterfly look. Little googly eye ones. Little hearts. Influencer tings. Who am I influencing? Influenza? These are the earrings for my cowgirl look. Here's some apple cores for my apple look.
I'm not a look queen.
These are super cute little blow up doggies. Some little hamburgers. I get most of my earrings from Shein and Depop. This is little bees with little daisies and a chain. These are new little gingerbread cookies. Little cow earrings for my cow loop. Gifted from Katana. These are my Jack Skeleton earrings. These are little earrings. I don't know what it is anymore. Orientation symbol.
What?
I have another one for Katana. Cute little sparkly Oreos. Little Kermit the Frog earrings, but like off-brand Kermit because it's not actually Kermit.
Oh my god!
The shoes.
Shoes.
Shoes. Oh my god, shoes. Shoes. It's another one of that. I also have these little Miraculous Ladybug ones because I have Cat Noir's little ring. It's just a vibe. I need it in my life. Beat it up with no hands, y'all, because I like ukes. I'm gonna fuck your boyfriend. I'm gonna do what I do. I've already shown like the skeleton hands though, right? No. You can't fucking make me. Stop moving stuff, fatty.
Well, you're fat. You're fatty. Keep eating, fatty.
These are little Care Bear earrings. Funshine and What's Her Face. And then little button earrings from Katana, black and white buttons. And then I have some purple button earrings. These little dollies. The little green earrings. Gift from Katana's Skin. Little denture earrings. My oh no earrings.
Oh no!
Got some stars.
She's a star.
I got some little popcorn. I got some roach earrings.
Ew.
Oh, I have my little rubber ducky earrings. Clown earrings. My gold little fan earrings. Oh my god, it's a little operating fan. Like it actually does the opening and stuff. What the heck? You can open and close it. That's sickening. Sickening! Sound the sickening alarm because I'm slitting. Some little steel flame earrings. Oh, stop moving for a sec. I'm just going to show the mushrooms as one part, but these are from different sets, a green set and a red set. These are my little mushroom earrings, because, you know, fairy core, cottage core, yeah. This is the little girl to go with Jack Skellington. And then we have the little knives. Last in this little area are the littlest pet shops. Littlest pet shop earrings. Yeah, they ain't never gonna catch me.
And they never catch me. Ain't nobody gonna catch me.
Because you're too streetwise?
Yup.
Oh, and then I have recently inherited some little earrings from my grandmother. So she had little, like, gold-plated little seahorses, starfish, little alligator, and little palm trees, and little dolphins. So I reworked some of that jewelry and decided to keep it and give some away that we didn't like, but we gave some to family and sold some of the stuff that, like, was like little charms that she put on her earrings, so like earrings on earrings or whatever. So I have some earrings to add, little lemon earrings and little orange earrings. So those go with like my orange and my lemon looks, and if you follow me, you know I have like a little fruit series that I'm doing. I am trying to work on like blueberry and grapes, but like it's hard for me to like find stuff I like in like purple and blue. Anyways, that was my entire earring collection, part 2. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, like and subscribe, and let me know what you guys want to see next time. Bye!